In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and structure your CRM effectively, ensuring a streamlined process that boosts efficiency and improves customer relationship management. Now let's dive into crafting the perfect CRM layout that suits your business needs. We begin with identifying the key components of your CRM. These elements form the foundation of your system, and getting them right is crucial. First, let's talk about contacts. These are the individuals that you and your team interact with, whether they are clients, leads, or partners. It's important to keep a detailed record of each interaction to nurture these relationships. Next, we have companies. These are the organizations that your contacts are associated with. By linking individuals to their respective companies, you can gain valuable insights into the organization as a whole, facilitating more effective communication and collaboration. Moving on to opportunities, these are the deals or projects that your business is pursuing. Proper management of these opportunities allows you to track their progress, prioritize tasks, and ultimately close deals more efficiently. Lastly, we have activities. These include all the calls, emails, meetings, and tasks that are part of maintaining and growing relationships. Managing these activities helps ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and that follow-ups are timely. To get the most out of your CRM, it's essential to ensure these tables are interlinked. This interconnectedness provides a comprehensive view of your customer relationships, allowing for data-driven decisions and strategies that align with your overall goals. Now let's take a look at how you can leverage Airtable's CRM templates. Airtable offers pre-built templates that can serve as a time-saving solution and a strong foundation for your CRM. For instance, the Sales CRM dashboard can help you visualize your sales pipeline and performance metrics, providing a clear snapshot of where your business stands. Additionally, the Client Management CRM template is excellent for tracking client interactions and project statuses, ensuring you stay on top of all ongoing tasks. One of the great benefits of using these templates is their customizability. You can tailor them to fit the specific needs of your business, allowing for a more personalized CRM experience that can grow and adapt alongside your company. Lastly, consider setting up different views for the various roles within your organization. By customizing views based on roles, each team member can focus on the information most relevant to their responsibilities. For example, a salesperson might want to see a daily summary of their contacts and opportunities, while a project manager might focus on tracking project timelines and deliverables. And there you have it, a concise guide to planning your CRM structure, utilizing templates effectively, and customizing views for different roles within your organization. By getting these basics right, you're setting up a robust CRM that supports your customers and your business goals in equal measure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.